Hello artists! Now that our planets are dry, we are going to use chalk pastel, black and white, to add some shadows and highlights to our planets. Let's start with our black chalk. We are going to add a shadow to the right side of each planet. So what we're going to do is start with any planet and just put a little dot on the top where you think the middle is and the bottom where you think the middle is. That is where the shadow is going to start and end. My right side is this way, so I'm going to make a little line with my chalk. Now I'm going to take one finger and only one finger, and I'm going to smooth out that chalk 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 times. All right, let's repeat that step for the other ones. Now, some of us put some little salt particles onto our paper. You might want to just shake those off so that you have a smooth area to draw. Smooth out your shadows. All right, now that my shadows are all done, I'm going to wipe my finger on a little wipe or Kleenex so I get the black chalk off of there. Then we're going to use our white chalk to make a highlight. This is not going to go on the black, it's going to go on the opposite side. So the opposite side would be right here, all the way to the edge. Now use my clean finger and blend. This makes the planets look more three-dimensional, more realistic. All right, now that my highlights are done, I'm going to cut all of my planets out. All right, I've got all my planets here. Look how realistic they look. I love them. Now it's time to grab my background, my galaxy that we painted last time. You are going to use your glue to stick your planets down. But there's a certain way that we have to do this. We want all the shadows to be on the same side and all the highlights to be on the same side. So arrange your planets how you like them to look. And make sure the highlights and shadows are on the same side. So all of my shadows, if I want them to be on the left, they'll all be on the left. Or they can all be towards the right, or they can all be towards the top, but they have to be going in the same direction for this to look realistic. Once I've kind of figured out how I want my planets to go, I'm going to use my glue to stick down my planets, and then I am done.